To create an income statement based on bank statements, you'll need to follow a few steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Gather your bank statements. Collect all your bank statements for the desired period. Ensure that you have statements that cover all your income and expenses during that time. 2. Categorize your transactions. Review each transaction listed on the bank statements and categorize them into appropriate income and expense categories. Common income categories include sales revenue, interest income, or any other sources of income. Expense categories can include rent, utilities, salaries, advertising, and more. It's important to be consistent and thorough when categorizing transactions. 3. Calculate total income. Sum up all the transactions categorized as income to calculate your total income for the period. Make sure to account for any adjustments or corrections if needed. 4. Calculate total expenses. Sum up all the transactions categorized as expenses to calculate your total expenses for the period. Again, ensure that you include all relevant expenses and consider any adjustments or corrections that may be required. 5. Calculate net income. Subtract the total expenses from the total income to determine your net income for the period. If your total income exceeds your total expenses, you have a net profit. If your total expenses exceed your total income, you have a net loss. 6. Present the income statement. Format the information in a clear and organized manner. Include the income categories, corresponding amounts, expense categories, corresponding amounts, and the net income figure. You can use spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to create a professional-looking income statement. Remember, the income statement created based on bank statements may not capture all the financial aspects of your business or personal finances. It's essential to consider additional factors such as non-bank income sources, non-cash transactions, accruals, and other financial details to obtain a comprehensive view of your financial situation. If you need a more accurate and detailed income statement, you may want to consult with a professional accountant or bookkeeper.
Like, subscribe and click that notification bell. More videos to come soon. Like, subscribe and click that notification bell. More videos to come soon.